What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be unboxing my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. These days, there's not much in the box when you unbox these, but I just wanted to kind of introduce this to my channel in case I started making videos on it. It's not a surprise that I have it for those that watch my channel, and I picked it up in the porcelain. Here's the box. I do believe that the box is made out of recycled material, but it looks different. And here are the specs right here. Some of the specs anyway. I got, this says the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, 5G millimeter and sub 6.8 inch, 256 gigabytes. And this is the porcelain, like I said. Let's go ahead and get into it. Box, check it out. I think I pulled those the wrong way, but nevertheless, we're getting it open. And let's see how you get this thing out of here. So you just push this out. Just like that. And there's a outline of the device right there. Let's go ahead and get it out the box. I decided to go with the porcelain this time. I wanted something a little different. I think my Google Pixel 7, let's see, I think there's some stuff in here, yeah. My 7 Pro was the snow, which was a white color like. So in this package here, you got your SIM card, ejection tool there, and just your, paperwork there. And then here's the device. Also in here, you get a charging cable, C to C, white. And then here's the device. Woo! This is nice, man. Here it is. That is beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous right there. Matte back on the back of it there. This is kind of matte around the cameras there. And I'll put the cameras, what they are on the display right here. But you got 3 of them back here. You got your flash. And I'm not sure what that is there. Got the Google logo right there. And this is very shiny going around here. So this is your millimeter wave antenna. You got a microphone right there. You got your power button, volume up and down, very shiny. You got your speaker, charging port, microphone, and your SIM card tray right there. Yeah, beautiful, man. This is beautiful. I don't know how much I like the shiny sides now. I'm kind of used to the matte. And then here's the front of it, 6.8 inch. And then you got your front-facing camera there. I was trying to see if there's a screen protector. Nope. But yeah, man, it's not heavy, kind of lightweight in the hand, and just beautiful. This chrome actually brings this out a lot. I don't know if my camera's doing justice to it or not, but here it is. Kind of feels a little slippery though. So let's go ahead and power this up. See if it has any power. I felt the vibration. And there's the logo right there. We're going to get to the first boot up display. And then I'll put my information in and come back and we'll take a look at after I get my information in. Let's go ahead and see what else it's going to do on the boot up screen. It's giving us the logo there. I did feel a vibration. And there it is. Welcome to your Pixel. And it's going to direct me through the rest of the setup. So I'll go ahead and get this set up. And then I'll let you guys see what it does after that. So I'm not going to set it up from another device. I'm going to set it up brand new. So I'll come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have signed into my Google account on here. I haven't added any apps or anything like that. But here it is. I did set up the fingerprint sensor. As you guys see, it is very, very quick. Let's do that one more time. So very quick, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor there. This is the wallpaper out of the box. Very beautiful. As you guys see, very minimal bezels going around here. Looks great, man. Device feels good in the hand. Just strolling through here, the Google Tensor G4, very quick. This has 12 gigabytes of RAM as well. So I think it's going to, perform well. Setting this up, like I said, I didn't add any apps or anything, but it was a little warm in this area right here as it was I guess doing background stuff on the device here. But out of the box, this is what you're going to get. You get some pretty stock stuff here. You got your weather, Play Store, Gmail, the Gemini right here. This is a new feature where this is, you can go through and set this up right here. Start using it. Also, you're going to have calculator. You guys can see everything here. Pretty much stock Android right here. And going into the drop down menu, I don't see anything new here. Pretty much the same info. Going into the settings, let's go ahead and look at how much out of the box that it's using. So out of the box for me, it's using 24 gigabytes out of the 256. Not too bad there. And let's go down to the display. Out of the box, this is on smooth display, automatically raise the refresh rate up to 120 hertz for some content and increases battery usage right there. And then last, we'll go down to about, and then we'll check out and see that this is running on Android 14. Don't go backwards, Will. And it has the August 5th, 2024 security update right there. So that is pretty some of the settings right there. And yeah, man, looks good here, smooth. The colors look great on here. Can't wait to test out the cameras. Supposed to have awesome cameras here, AI features, Gemini, and things like that. It's going to be great. The fingerprint is good on here as well. Let's do a little bit of size comparison. So here it is next to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. You guys see it is just a little taller than the iPhone. It's going to be about the same thickness, the width, I should say, but you guys can see the camera bump there. It's quite a bit larger than the one on the iPhone. And then here are the two colors together. This is the porcelain and the natural titanium. Both great looking devices there. And then next, let's take a look at it next to my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Of course, it's going to be taller than the Z Fold 6. Not by much. It's going to be definitely wider. There it is there. Two of them there. Z Fold is thicker. Not by much. They slimmed that down some. And then here's two colors together, navy blue and the porcelain. They both look great, as you guys see right there. And yeah, man, so can't wait to check this out. This was just an unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's going to be a fingerprint magnet on these sides here with this very shiny sides, but the back of it is matte. Looks great. Wish they would have went with matte on this, on the outsides of it too. But yeah, we're going to make it work, man. It's a beautiful device. It's supposed to be powerful, take great pictures, video, and the Gemini feature and AI features. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.